Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Zachari's High Tech Page. My name is Zachary and I want to take you with me on my journey on this YouTube adventure. I posted in the past, I posted videos from gameplay from Horizon Zero Dawn and Grand Theft Auto, but also did some other small videos. But okay, I'm going to start brand new with those videos, but also adding new web posts to my new video blogs. Yesterday I installed everything, my laptop, my webcam and my USB microphone. It's a nice Trust USB microphone, condensator microphone that I can also use for voiceovers, YouTube and podcast. Okay, let's say what you need if you want to earn some money with YouTube. You need a normal website. I did in the past some research about some websites that you can use, but it's not a free Blogger or WordPress or other free web blog pages. You have to own this web domain to get your AdSense account connected with. If you did this, you can put monetization on your YouTube channel, and with this monetization you can earn some money. But last year Google did make some changes. You need to have at least 1000 subscribers and over the 4000 hours of viewing time. So yes, you have a YouTube account and you can post videos. Yes, you have a website where you can put AdSense account on it, so you can connect it. But then the harder part comes. You need to get some subscribers. For me, this thing is not sure how I'm going to do this, but I have to start somewhere. So my coming videos are going to be about what I did, how I did it, and which difficulties I had in the time to get there. Like you can see, I don't have much subscribers yet, but I hope in the future more people will come to my website. Not website, on my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the time for being on my YouTube channel. I'm going to post in the future, I'm going to post some reviews about 3D printing, maybe some other cameras and microphones, also game consoles, because I also like gaming. I'm 40 years old, but I still enjoy gaming. I started very late because in my youth there were gaming consoles like the Nintendo NES, the Game Boy, the Super Nintendo, the 16-bit, the Sega Mega Drive, all those consoles. But because my parents didn't have a lot of money, I also didn't have a game console. The only thing that I had was a Game Boy with two colors, green and black, and I had to work very hard to earn money to get some games, because my parents didn't buy the games, I had to work for it. So my attitude during life is still work hard to earn some money. And now in 2019 I'm going to put it to a new level with earning money on the internet. I heard a lot of people saying that YouTube is not the best way to earn money. I can agree with it, I disagree with it, but in the meantime I can figure out how it works, because there are a lot of new people starting with new things that I also sometimes thought about doing it, but I didn't do it, and that's a big problem. If you're starting a YouTube channel, and you have great ideas, start with it. Not thinking about it, not thinking, oh well, maybe I can do it, maybe I fail. Yeah, so what you fail? So what? Things happen and you don't get it the first time right. For me, look at my page, look to my YouTube channel. I had 1 or 2 videos that were viewed more than 1,000 times, and they were good ones. Just with my simple iPhone, I recorded a superstorm in Venray. It didn't happen a lot because normally supercells form only in America and in the places that you get tornadoes. But here in Venray, we had 3 years ago already, we had one big supercell forming above Venray. You can watch my channel and look to the video and you will see what I mean. The thunder was hearing all the time and it was very fun to record this video. Okay, well, I love 3D printing, so I'm also going to post some 3D printing stuff on it. So I've got now an Ender 3 Pro. I printed a lot of things on it. So like this thing, it's not finished yet. It's never going to be finished because this is plastic. This is already printed and I cannot put anything else on it anymore. Maybe I can just glue the last part on it and then have a puppy. This is a test print from Ender 3 from Creality. It's a very good print if you want to have it. Look on the internet. I cannot say, well, I've got a discount on it and press on my link and then you will get a printer with 10% 20% reduction on the price. I can't give you that. But at this moment, I'm just going to post some weblogs that you can see what I did to get on the internet. Okay, so my background is my living room and my kitchen. And it's not the best, but it's my house, this is my home, this is my place where I have two kids, two daughters, sorry. One 7 years old, 5 one, and I have to tell you that maybe in the future another YouTube channel is going to be created, because my oldest daughter Sarah, she also like to make some videos and post them on YouTube, because my daughters are looking on YouTube every day, just like we do. So I hope you enjoy their channel when they are coming on YouTube. I'm going to mention it in my videos. So during this time, my laptop is still busy with updating and installing and downloading and all the stuff, so I cannot really use my laptop at this moment. I hope you enjoy this this video. Like I mentioned, if you want to start on YouTube, don't wait with it for 2, 3 or maybe 10 years. Start with it today or tomorrow, but start with it. If you want to just explore the YouTube without earning money, just go on the tutorials you can find on YouTube. At this moment you cannot find my tutorial because I don't have any at this moment to record, but then during this time that I'm going to be online, that I'm going to post some YouTube movies, here we go again, I mean YouTube videos. You can see which difficulties that I had during this time. Starting with YouTube, you can start every day, and during the time that you are going to make more movies, you're going to be very much easier in it, and it will be better and better all the time. So for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button put on the notifications, so when I post a new video in the future, you will get an email, and then you can see the new videos on YouTube from me, Zachary High Tech page. Thanks, and don't forget, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.